Now I would like to share about my daily activity. Let's begin. My name is Chalon. I'm from Newton Township. I'm a student in Timothy School. In the morning, I get up at 6:45 a.m. I make my bed. I brush my teeth, wash my feet, and then I have breakfast. I do exercise at 10 a.m. I take to my friend in a rest time. I take back and I wash my hair at 9 o'clock. I go to school at 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. I have lunch at 1 p.m. a.m. In rest time, I sleep. 1:30 p.m. I go to school again. At first time, I use computer. Second time, I study English. I go home at 4 p.m. and then I play with my friend. I take a bath at 5 o'clock. At 6:30 p.m. I have dinner with my friend. I stay here at 7 o'clock. I do homework at 7:30 to 10 p.m. I sleep at 10:30 p.m. Thank you for your time to my presentation.